from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Budget proposal for the Henrico County Public School System and good news on the job growth front. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Wednesday, January 24th, 2024, and it's brought to you today by Makeup by Holly Beauty Partners.
And now for the news.
At tomorrow's Henrico School Board meeting, School Superintendent Amy Cashwell will present her recommended budget for the 2025 fiscal year. The meeting begins at 3 p.m. The new budget will have to go through a month-long approval process and would eventually take effect in July and apply through next June 30th. The school board first will vote on the recommended budget and any amendments to it February 22nd, and then send it to the Henrico Board of Supervisors for approval. That will happen in April. Also at tomorrow's meeting, school board members will discuss the creation of a new strategic plan for the division after the current plan, called Destination 2025, expires. The new plan would identify goals and initiatives for the school system to carry out between 2025 and 2030. You can read more about what's on tomorrow's agenda right now on our website from our education reporter, Leanna Hardy. Check it out at henricocitizen.com. The Henrico School Board will host a town hall meeting next Tuesday night, January 30th at 6:30 p.m. at Colonial Trail Elementary School to inform residents about the division's priorities and proposed budget for the coming school year. Superintendent Amy Cashwell will deliver a short presentation about the legislative priorities of the system and the proposed budget, followed by an opportunity for community input. The meeting also will be recorded and posted on the school system's website. The meeting is open to the public. The Metro Richmond region led Virginia's 10 metropolitan regions in job growth last year, according to data from the Virginia Department of Workforce Development and Advancement. The region added 16,300 jobs to climb to nearly 719,000 total jobs, outpacing Northern Virginia, which added a little more than 11,000 to climb above 1.56 million. Overall, 9 of the 10 metro areas in the state experienced over-the-year job gains, while 1 remained unchanged. A bill in the Virginia General Assembly calls for free meals to be provided to all public school students in Virginia. It passed the Senate Education and Health Committee last week. The proposal would cost an estimated $346 million over the next 2 years. The bill's patron, Danica Rome, a Democrat from Manassas, said, quote, "This is about making sure that every kid who goes to school gets fed, no questions asked," end quote. But some Republicans, including Senator Mark Peake of Lynchburg, balked at the cost, saying, quote, "I just obviously do not want any child to go hungry and do not want any child who cannot afford a meal to go hungry. But I think at this point I'm not quite ready to say that the Commonwealth is going to pay for breakfast and lunch for every child," end quote. We've got much more on this topic from our partners at Virginia Mercury. You can read it on our website, henricocitizen.com. A new documentary about the use of rap lyrics in court is getting critical acclaim, and a University of Richmond professor is one of the project's producers. Eric Nielsen is a leading expert on the use of rap lyrics in court. He's co-author of the book Rap on Trial and has testified in court about the use of rap lyrics as evidence. The new documentary, called As We Speak, was produced by Sam Widows, a graduate of UR. It's one of 10 films selected for a screening at the Sundance Film Festival this month in Utah. It was selected from among more than 1,200 entries. The film explores the history of rap music and racial bias in music. It is slated to be widely available for streaming through Paramount at the end of February. And U.S. Congresswoman Jennifer McClellan of the 4th District, which includes the eastern portion of Henrico, has introduced the Women of Excellence program to highlight the achievements of women in her district and to encourage more women to pursue leadership roles. The program is part of McClellan's efforts to improve the lives of women and girls in her district. The deadline to submit a nomination is Friday, March 1st. You can learn more about how to do that by visiting our website and looking for this article. We have a link to that nomination portal. Does your personal brand need a makeover or maybe just a bit of styling? Let Makeup by Holly Beauty Partners help. They can enhance your personal image, style your body type, and color consult to help you look and feel your absolute best. Makeup by Holly Beauty Partners offers mobile bridal hair and makeup services, one-on-one makeup education and training, wardrobe styling, videography and photography services, and a mobile beauty lounge for events anytime and anywhere. Call 804-266-4564 or visit makeupbyhollyb.com to learn more.